Students, a very good morning to all of you and welcome to the class. In our last class, I shared the text of the poem Background Casually by Nissim Ezekiel. Today we are going to go through the text of the poem and I will try to explain the text to you. So I hope you have the text before you that I shared with you. So let us come to the poem. A poet rascal clown was born, the frightened child who would not eat or sleep, a boy of meager bone. He never learned to fly a kite, his borrowed top refused to spin. I went to Roman Catholic school, a mugging Jew among the wolves. So Background Casually, it was first published in the collection titled Hymns in Darkness, and it's an autobiographical poem. As the title suggests, the poet, while recalling his past, assumes a detached, casual attitude. Throughout the poem, as it moves in time from present to past to present, the tone remains casual. As I have already told you that this poem is in 3 sections and each section consists of 5 stanzas. So in the very first line, in a very lighter vein, the poet calls himself a poet, rascal, clown. He recalls his childhood days filled with a sense of fright and failure. When he says, in the second line he says, the frightened child who would not eat or sleep, a boy of meager bone. He was a frightened and restless child, very lean and very thin. Ezekiel recalls that he was not that much good at sports as his other companions were. He was poor at games. He couldn't fly a kite. His borrowed top refused to spin. So, he failed to spin the top that he probably borrowed from his friends. And as I told you that by birth he was a Jew, and he recalls that I went to Roman Catholic school, a mugging Jew among the wolves. They told me I had killed the Christ the year I won the scripture prize. As he was Jew, he had to face numerous difficulties in the classroom. The school was a Roman Catholic school and he was a Jew. He recalls the ill treatment that he received at the hands of other students who belonged to different religions. A Muslim sportsman boxed my ears. I grew in terror of strong but undernourished Hindu lads. Their prepositions always wrong, repelled me by passivity. He remembers how some Muslim boy boxed his ears. And he remembers also how the Hindu boys, they were bullies and he was very much afraid of them. He remembers Hindu boys whose passivity repelled him and whose prepositions were always wrong. So he feels a sense of grief is there over the treatment that he received at the hands of his classmates. I grew in terror of strong but undernourished Hindu lads, their prepositions always wrong, repelled me by passivity. One noisy day I used a knife. At home on Friday nights the prayers were said. My morals had declined. I heard of yoga and Zen. Could I perhaps be Rabbi Saint? The more I searched, the less I found. So, Ezekiel remembers that right from his childhood, he knew that his parents wanted him to be a Jewish priest. Though he attended prayers, he realized his morals had declined. So he was unfit to be a priest. These were his thoughts about himself. At 22, time to go abroad. First the decision, then a friend to pay the fare. So, at the age of 22, he went abroad with the help of his friend. And the name of the the name of Ezekiel's friend was Ibrahim Al-Qazi, who gave him one-way ticket to England. So, today we have gone through the first section of the poem in which he recalls his struggle in his school times, how he was treated, what were the aspirations of his parents who wanted him to be a priest, and the lines where we ended today shows that now he is ready to leave for England. That has been his dream. So students, this much for today's class. We will continue the text with the textual analysis in our next classroom. Thank you very much.